Hello, welcome back. Today I'm going to talk about Certore ICO. So now I'm in their website. The website is certore.com. So it's an open standardization and certification platform. They introduce required features to increase the quality of digital tokens. Digital cryptocurrency as blockchain technology expected to meet requirements which also can be detected as follows. Decentralization, anonymity, security, reliability, convenience. So simply, Certore is about ideas about quality. So CBAS is their standardization and certification event-based system. So now I'm in their white paper. So if you want more information, you can refer their white paper. So I'm not a financial advisor, and doing your own research can gather more information. So in white paper, they describe about their roadmap. In quarter 2 of 2018, the CBAS alpha version, and quarter 1 of 2019, CBAS beta version, and quarter 3 of 2019, the certification alpha version will launch. Okay. So this is about their tokens. So 1 Ethereum is equal to 822 Cert tokens. So this is about the today's chosen tokens. So they give class B for Ethereum, class C for Bitcoin, class D for Cardano, and like that. You can also check this graph for more information. So CBAS is a standardization and certification event-based system. You can also check that out. So now we'll talk about their team. So their team is very good. So they have experience in software engineering, quality assurance, and social medias. So they also added their LinkedIn profiles to their profile, so you can easily check that out. So this is about their roadmap. So in June, the crowd sale will finish. In quarter 3 of 2018, the CBAS alpha version will launch. In quarter 1 of 2019, CBAS beta version with AI subsystem will launch. And quarter 3 of 2019, the certification beta version and further certification setup. So seems it is a very advanced project to me. So thank you so much for watching my video. If you like the video, click the like button, subscribe my channel, and share with your friends. If you have anything to ask, post a comment and I will answer it quickly as I can. Thank you.